Hello, I'm Yvette Shipman with Sotheby's International Realty, and I am just below Page Meadows. It's right up there, and when you're coming down the trail and you really don't want to leave, perhaps this should be your place. 4040 Zermatt Road is literally a ski-in, ski-out property, backcountry style. Moments from Sherwood Chair at the backside of Alpine Meadows. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, 2-car garage, on a cul-de-sac, quiet, back into your own mountain meadow, and it's a really lovely piece of paradise.